Greetings, my Windows users. This video is for you. So this video, we're going to do the installation of EndNote on a Windows computer. And so let's dive right in. And yes, I am doing this absolutely live, so you don't miss any steps. Get to the library webpage, library.musc.edu. Then you are going to go to MUSC. With the drop-down box, click on Software Downloads. Once you get here, it will ask you to log in. Have your password ready. All right, and if that's my accurate password, which, woohoo, it is, let's go down to EndNote. Notice there's lots of different software here to use. Feel free to explore that at another date and time. So now that we're at the agreement page, you're going to click the first one for Windows, which is that one. Notice I've downloaded it a few times, but I'm going to do it one more time uh, just so I can show you all what to do next, because some of the steps get a little tricky on a Windows computer. All right, so now I got to fill this time with 12 more seconds of me talking so that this downloads. I guess I could have just used one of the other ones, but it's just not as clean. All right, here we go. So now that the file is open, don't click Open File. Click this file to show in your folder. Go to wherever you keep your folder. Now, what I want you to do, don't click on it like a normal Windows device. You want to right-click on it so that you can go to Extract All. Now, if you're like, I don't know how to do that, that's okay. Up here in your ribbon, you have Extract All. You can do that as well. And the reasoning why is because if you don't extract all, you will then call me and say, I need a key. Where's the key? And I'm going to tell you to go back to this page and right click or click extract all. I'm on a Windows 11. Extract all is on all Windows, at least since 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So now that you've extracted all, now you can begin the download process by double clicking everything as normal. And see now, you know I already have it installed. If I need to modify it, you'll just get installation and you want to go boom, 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 boom. So I'm actually going to modify it so that I get all my features because I like features and I want all my features. So I'll modify mine and then keep going. Now, it will ask you to close any Microsoft product you have open except Edge, so that this can download and fix and all of that. So once it gets downloaded for my Windows users, it will pop up with green and black. I believe those colors, green, black, and white. And that's where you will then create a library. It will ask you to create a library, and you will create a library, call it whatever you want, but make sure you save it on your C drive, not in OneDrive. On the C drive, you want it on the hard drive of the computer, the library, because if you put it anywhere else, it will get corrupted and you will lose all of your hard work. Not really. I'm being exaggerating. So that you don't lose all your hard work while that's downloading, I guess this is where I should have went to my EndNoteWeb.com. So while that's downloading, we're going to go over to my EndNoteWeb.com, and you want to register. You want to go ahead and create you a web version of your EndNote. And you're like, well, why do I need two? Great question. Glad you are paying attention. You need two because your desktop version is on this computer. Your web version can be accessed from any computer, including your mobile devices. Second, you want the web version to be your backup for your desktop version, and I'll show you how to do that. That way, if you fail to follow my instructions of putting it on the C drive, either because your computer is set up so that doesn't work, you needed some space so everything's in the cloud, what have you, you're going to need your backup. So I've already created an account, but I will show you how to create an account. You click register, you use an email address. Um, I'll use a new email address, create a password, and I guess I'll use the password I just did, re-enter it, add your name, and then add your last name, create your CAPTCHA so that they know you are a person. Oh, it does not like initials, but it does with a period on it. And then you click register. I don't really want another one. I have like 4 or 5 of these. So once you click register, you will be asked to go to your MUSC account or your Gmail account or your Yahoo account or whatever account you did to confirm that you created this. And once you confirm it, now you can sign in. And then you will get into the nooks and crannies of EndNote. Now, mine looks like this when I sign in because I have tons of stuff here. Yours will look like this when you sign in because it's brand new. So, before I give you the lay of the land on the desktop, let's dive into the installation here. And what you want to do is go to download. Yes, you're like, but we just did that. I know this is something different. You want to do 2 things. See this thing? This is a plugin that they built in. It's called Capture Reference. It is amazing. Whenever you are at a website or PubMed, Scopus, any of the databases, you want to be able to use this. So you just drag this. Hopefully you can see it. I'm dragging it up to my bookmark bar and I'm dropping it there. I already have one, so I didn't drop it. Now, if you're asking yourself, wait, what's a bookmark bar? Right. No problems. Come over here to settings, go to favorites, and you have favorites bar. And if that's not open, you click the star button so you can add the page and they'll show up. But you should have something called your favorites bar. And then that way it is there for you. Now, some of you might have I just saw something, you might have your bar hidden. So you might have to click the 3 dots to show favorites bar, whether you want it always, never, only on new tabs, however you want. But you need that bar so that it is there. And I'll show you how that works in a second. The second thing that you might want, this is a might want, but I think it's great because it helps you to get the PDFs faster, is this thing called EndNote Click. Go ahead and click try it to find out more. It takes you here. You'll create an EndNote Click page. And that way you create an account. So, and you'll see it on my computer because I believe I already have an account, so I'll sign in. That's a different one. So now that we have our computer ready to go, I'm gonna go back to the library page. And from the library page, I'm going to go to collections, research guide. And this is to continue the installation. So you're going to come down here to EndNote. Click on EndNote. Now from EndNote, you're going to click on Find Full Text. Find Full Text. Left-hand corner, Find Full Text. Just leave it there. Now, let's get back to our installation. We see we have a finished. I'm clicking Finished. And I'm going to open mine up. EndNote 20. Lovely. Yes, they stopped knowing the X's because the X meant 10. And it seems like a lot of people didn't understand that. They thought it was just an X. So, nerdy kind of stuff. Come on, EndNote, open up. All right. So, I'll leave this because I need this for later. But I will create a new library just to show you all what your screen should look like. And I'm going to call it, oh, I already have a teaching library. Ha! Well, then I don't need to create another teaching library. And let's just open that teaching library. That way I don't mess with my other research. Okay, so this is what yours will look like, kind of. It's mostly empty. But what I want you to do is to finish your installation, your setup. So I'm going to try to do a side by side here so that you can see it more clearly. Move this over. All right, so hopefully you're seeing this clearly. And if not, you can let me know and then I'll do it again because I don't mind. All right, let's see. Let me reduce the print so that it's there we go. All right. So in the EndNote side, you're going to go to Edit and Preferences. Edit, Preferences. Click on Preferences. When you get to Preferences, it doesn't matter what opens first. Go to Find Full Text. Find Full Text. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this link over here on your Control Copy, or you're going to right click and copy, however you like to go to copy, and you're going to paste it here. Then you're going to take this link and you're going to get Control Copy and you're going to paste it here. All right. Go ahead. If you need to pause, that's fine. Let's keep going. So once you have those things, you're going to click Apply. Now, you're going to go to URLs and links. Just pause. It's okay. When you get to URLs and links on the website, you're going to scroll down. You're going to take this link, copy, paste it here. And in fact, I'm going to do mine again because that looked funny. And now you click Apply and you click OK. Bada bing, bada boom. But we weren't really done. Let's do one more thing. Edit, Preferences. We're going to go to Sync. So you remember how I just had you create that myendnoteweb.com? Well, if you didn't do that step, go ahead and click Enable Sync and do it here now. So add that information here, click Sign Up. I'm not doing it because I don't want my teaching stuff mixed with my, well, I guess I could add it. It's not that big of a deal. So let's see if I can add it. That's a teaching one too at musc.edu. And let's go back because I actually don't know what that password is. And so I'll sign out. And take a peek. Oh, it's that one. Okay, got it. Let's see. And then connect them. Oh, might want to spell my own name correctly, put too many letters, but that's okay. It happens. And so now this version of EndNote is synced. You can either sync it automatically or not. You also cannot, you can also change this if you need to down the road. So that's it. Now your EndNote, I'm going to lower this. I'm going to close that. And I'm going to give you the full page of this. So now your EndNote is good to go. All the installation is there. Everything is set up. Now you just get to use it. That's video number 2. So if you're done with the installation, follow me over to video number 2. See you when you get there. Bye for now.